Welcome. Want to make sure you never miss another one of your friends' birthdays on Facebook? It's a great way to stay connected and show you care, and Facebook makes it super easy to set up birthday email notifications. Here's an updated guide on how to do it directly from your phone. First, let's open up the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. It's usually 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap that to open up your menu options. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. This will take you to all sorts of customization options for your Facebook experience. Now, look for the Notifications section. It's where you can control how Facebook alerts you about different activities. Tap on Notifications to access those settings. Once you're in the notification settings, you'll see a list of different types of notifications you can customize. Scroll down until you find Birthdays. Tap on Birthdays to specify how you want to be reminded of your friend's special days. Here, you'll see different options for birthday notifications. To enable email notifications, simply toggle the email option to the on position. It will likely turn blue or a different color to indicate that it's active. And that's it. With email notifications turned on, Facebook will now send you an email reminder whenever one of your friends has a birthday coming up. This way, you'll have plenty of time to send them a message, give them a call, or even plan a surprise. Birthdays are a great way to connect with friends and show them you care. And with these simple steps, you'll never miss another one again. Thanks for watching, and happy birthday wishing.